Alright, so let's be real for a second. You start the semester strong, color-coded notes, a perfect study schedule, you're feeling like the academic weapon you were always meant to be. Then, inevitably, life happens. Assignments pile up, motivation vanishes, and suddenly you're deep into a late-night Google session, frantically typing how to pass an entire semester's worth of material in 3 hours. But what if AI could genuinely fix this, not by replacing your brain but by giving it a serious upgrade? We're talking about a fundamental shift in how you approach learning, making it smarter, more efficient, and a lot less stressful. So, in this video, we're diving into the AI study system that's becoming the secret weapon for top students smashing their academic goals in 2025. It's time to upgrade your study game. The first piece of this AI study puzzle is goal input. Every major achievement starts with a clear objective. But when you're facing a mountain of coursework, that big goal can feel incredibly daunting. This is where AI steps in, acting like your personal academic strategist, breaking it down into manageable steps. It's not just about saying I want an A, it's about feeding the AI your syllabus, your desired outcome, and your current understanding. The AI processes this information and begins to reverse engineer the path to success. It looks at the entire scope of the material and the volume of information you need to absorb. Imagine telling your AI, my goal is to master cellular respiration for my biology midterm in 6 weeks. The AI identifies key subtopics: glycolysis, the Krebs cycle, oxidative phosphorylation. It understands these aren't just isolated facts but interconnected processes. From there, the AI formulates a series of micro goals. For instance, instead of just study cellular respiration, it might break it down into weekly targets. This week, focus on glycolysis. Next week, the Krebs cycle. This granular approach transforms an overwhelming task into a series of achievable milestones. The AI provides a clear roadmap. For example, it might suggest, to master 3 key reaction mechanisms in organic chemistry per week, dedicate 90 minutes to each, spread across 2 study sessions. This isn't a rigid command but a data-driven recommendation. Furthermore, it translates these weekly targets into daily actions. Practice drawing and explaining mechanism X today, review mechanisms Y and Z tomorrow. This system allows for dynamic adjustments. If you grasp concepts faster in one area or struggle in another, the AI recalibrates the plan. It's a living strategy that adapts with you. Seeing your progress against these smaller targets provides constant positive reinforcement. Each completed task feels like a small victory, building confidence and motivation. This is the starting line of your AI-enhanced academic journey. You've fed your goals into the AI, and it's given you a clear breakdown of what needs to be done. The next big question is, when to do it? This brings us to schedule optimization. AI slots your study tasks into times when you're most productive. It's about understanding your energy rhythms and cognitive peaks. Many AI systems can learn your patterns. You might input your commitments, classes, work, social activities. Some systems integrate with wearable tech to track sleep patterns. The AI analyzes this data to find your optimal learning windows. If you're alert after a morning run, it schedules demanding subjects then. No more battling fatigue with dense material. Tasks needing less focus can be scheduled for lower energy periods. The AI considers the nature of the tasks. Learning new concepts might need longer study periods. Shorter review sessions might be for memory consolidation. One cool aspect is its ability to adapt. If an unexpected meeting pops up, the AI reshuffles tasks. It suggests alternative slots and prioritizes urgent items. This flexibility is crucial for real-world application. AI schedulers help prevent burnout by distributing your workload evenly. It can prompt you to take breaks, improving focus and productivity. Studying at peak times versus suboptimal periods makes a huge difference. This proactive approach transforms your study routine into a manageable process. AI schedule optimization takes the cognitive load off planning so you can focus on studying. Now let's talk about active recall. This is an area where AI is truly shining, acting like your personal quiz master. Simply rereading notes or highlighting textbooks is inefficient for long-term retention. Active recall forces your brain to retrieve information, strengthening neural pathways. The challenge with traditional active recall is that creating good practice questions or flashcards can be time-consuming. This is where AI tools step in to automate and enhance this process. Imagine uploading your lecture slides, textbook PDFs, or notes into an AI platform. The AI uses natural language processing to understand the content, identify core concepts, and generate relevant study aids. The AI then auto-creates a variety of active recall tools, flashcards, multiple-choice questions, fill in the blanks. The variety tests your understanding from different angles. Many AI systems incorporate spaced repetition. The AI tracks your performance on each question. If you get something right consistently, it shows it to you less frequently. If you struggle with a topic, it brings it back for review more often. This intelligent scheduling optimizes your study time. Instead of spending hours creating study materials, you can have a comprehensive set of practice questions generated in minutes. The AI handles the heavy lifting, allowing you to focus on retrieval practice. The feedback loop is often immediate. You answer a question, and the AI tells you if you're right or wrong, often providing explanations. This instant feedback is crucial for correcting misunderstandings quickly. AI-powered active recall systems can also provide insights into your learning. Many platforms offer dashboards that show you which topics you're strong in and which need more work. By uploading your study material, you're transforming passive study materials into an interactive learning experience. It's about making one of the most effective study techniques more accessible and less labor-intensive. Even with the best plans and tools, sometimes motivation wanes. This is where AI-powered accountability hacks come into play. Traditional accountability might involve a study buddy or a mentor, which is great, but not always available. AI can offer a more personalized and ever-present form of support. It's not about nagging you, it's about providing timely reminders and encouragement. Imagine your AI study assistant noticing that you've missed a scheduled session. It might send you a gentle notification. Hey, I noticed you missed your review for Chapter 3. Want to reschedule it for later today, or perhaps first thing tomorrow morning? These AI nudges can be customized too. The system can learn what kind of reminders work best for you. Beyond simple reminders, AI can help with progress visualization. Seeing how much you've accomplished can be a powerful motivator. Your AI dashboard might show you a graph of completed tasks or topics mastered. Some systems might even incorporate gamification elements. You could earn points for completing study sessions or unlock badges for mastering difficult concepts. These small rewards can make the study process feel more engaging. AI accountability features are designed to be non-judgmental. There's no shame if you fall behind. The AI is simply there to help you get back on track. This supportive framework can make a huge difference to your mindset during stressful academic periods. Think of it as having an accountability partner that's available 24/7. This consistent, gentle pressure can be incredibly effective in maintaining momentum over the long haul of a semester. We've walked through how AI can break down your academic goals into manageable targets. We've seen how it can optimize your schedule, ensuring you're tackling the toughest subjects when your brain is sharpest. We've explored AI-driven active recall, transforming your study materials into interactive quizzes, and we've touched on how AI can be your non-judgmental accountability partner. This is the core of the AI study revolution. The tools are here, and they're getting smarter every day. The potential to reduce stress, improve understanding, and achieve academic success more efficiently is immense. It's about taking control of your learning process in a way that wasn't possible before. The real mission here is to consider how these principles and tools can be integrated into your own life. Think about the hours you could save and the confidence you could build by adopting these AI-powered techniques. If you're excited by the prospect of studying smarter, not just harder, then take the next step. Smash that like button if you're ready to explore how AI can help you upgrade your study game. And this is just the beginning of the conversation. Subscribe for part 2 of this series. In the next video, we're diving into AI hacks for exam week. Subscribing means you'll be the first to know when that video drops. We're committed to bringing you actionable insights. The future of studying is here, and it's incredibly exciting. By embracing these AI tools, you're developing skills and habits that will benefit you long after you've left a lecture hall. Hit like, subscribe for more, and get ready to see what you're truly capable of when you combine your brain power with the power of AI. So, there you have it. That's a look at how AI is fundamentally changing the game for students in 2025. We've covered how it can help you set clear goals, optimize your study schedule, supercharge your active recall, and keep you accountable. It's not about replacing hard work, but making that hard work count for more. These AI tools are becoming incredibly accessible and powerful. They're designed to work you, to augment your natural abilities. If you're looking to upgrade your study habits, exploring these AI systems is a solid move. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments what you think, or if there are other AI tools you're curious about. Peace out, and I'll catch you in the next one.